I came up with a new, easy way to make an arrow sign, so I thought I would come on here and share the process with you. I'm creating a directional sign for pumpkin patch, apple cider, corn maze, as well as hay rides. They are all listed separately, however they are all designed to work together. This is a 5.5-inch cedar plank that I cut on 45-degree angles. So I would go 45, straight, another 45, and continue. After cutting the arrow tip, I set it on the sign where I wished for it to go, then traced it out and cut the sign blank so they fit perfectly. Because I wished to add raffia to each sign, I made sure there was more space on the raffia side versus the arrow tip side. So in my case, 3 inches here and about 4.5 inches here. So next up, let's load the stencil brush. I like to load the brush with paint and then offload most of it so you create a very dry to the touch stencil brush. Then I know I'm ready for stenciling. Because my stencil brush is so dry, I can get away with doing a spin. And what this does is it leaves you a naturally distressed finish without needing to sand. What I'll also do is walk my fingers along these little bits and pieces in case they lift up while I stencil. This is a really good time to put your hand in the middle of the stencil, lift up on one side, make sure it's the effect you're looking for. If not, give it another coat or lift up, and wow, looks great. Let's install the tips. I have moved the tip up a little bit further than the sign blank because I think it looks better, and then pick 3 areas to pre-drill, and then add the screw. And I'm going to pump them in slowly. And distressing is completely optional. You can leave it as is, use a sanding sponge, or you can use a palm sander, but I like to use variable speed, dial it to about 2 so you have lots of control.